Today I will take you how to hit a screenshot on the computer. First we will go to a screenshot page that you will take a screenshot. Then press the Windows plus Shift plus S button. Windows plus Shift plus S, and then we will select the area. So I selected that's it, fixed area, and clip save snip saved clipboard. Please click, and as you edit, so save and desktop. Then we will save your favorite folder. I make a lot of videos for your benefits, so thanks to the video with a like and subscribe. Thank you. My screenshots is ready. Open the my screenshot. That's it. Thank you.